Welcome to LNB Renewable System Reader. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of the electrical vehicle technology, part 7. If you had missed out part 1 to 6, no issue. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In our channel, we had provided a playlist. In the playlist, you can see all the 24 parts that we had discussed regarding the electric vehicle technologies. So in our videos, we might be using so many abbreviations. So if you have any doubt, please refer to this part. So what are the things that we're going to discuss today in this part? So today we're going to discuss what are the components that will be inside in a battery operated electrical vehicle, okay, how it will be working, okay, and also in Volkswagen and all, we have a range extended battery operated electrical vehicle. We have so many internal components in it, and we will try to know how it is operating. So as we told earlier, in the battery operated electrical vehicle, we don't have any sort of internal combustion engine. We'll have an electrical motor, we'll have a power electronic components, we'll have a high voltage battery, and we'll have a charging contact. It is a 100% CO2 reduction is happening with the help of this battery operated electric vehicle. In the range extra type, we'll have an internal combustion engine, but we have a 2 electrical motors and 2 power electronic components, and we also have the high voltage battery, and we have a charging contact. Okay, the CO2 reduction is only 90% in the range extended battery operated electric vehicle. So as we told earlier, in the battery operated electric vehicle, see, we have a high voltage battery and we have a battery charger for charging contact, and we have a power electronic component, we have a high voltage lines, and see, we have an electrical motor which has a capability to act as a generator when we are doing the braking. Okay, and we also have the air compression and also high voltage heating systems. So how a battery operated electric vehicle will be operating? See, in the normal driving mode, this electrical motor will try to consume power from the battery with the help of this power electronic components. So at this occasion, it will try to run as a drive unit by consuming the power. Now consider a situation, you are trying to apply the brake. At the time, what will happen? This electric motor which worked as a drive will try to work as a generator or an alternator. So the energy generator is getting stored in the high voltage battery with the help of this power electronic components. And even certain occasions, okay, why we are having this heating and cooling purpose? Very simple. Sometimes during hot conditions, we need temperature to be maintained inside a vehicle. In such occasion, we can use air compressors. Even in certain places, during cooling conditions, we need the heating systems. For that, we are using these heating systems. So both the systems will try to consume the power from the battery with the help of this power electronic equipments. And also, apart from it, we have a charging contact to charge the high voltage batteries. So as we told earlier, in the range extender, we have an internal combustion engine, and we have 2 electrical motors and 2 power electronic equipments, and we have a high voltage battery as well, and we have a charging contact. So when we look into the range extended battery operated electric vehicle, see here, we have 2 power electronic equipments, and we have a electric motor 2, and we have electric motor. So we have 2 electrical motors, and we have a combustion engine, and even we have a power transmission line for the high voltage, and we have a charging contact for charging the high voltage battery. So consider a situation here, our combustion engine is off and motor 1 is off. So what will happen? In order to drive the vehicle, in order to do the electrical driving, the electric motor 2 will try to run by consuming power from the high voltage battery through the power electronic equipments. Now consider a situation here, the combustion engine is running. So at this occasion, what will happen? Already your electric motor is running. So here both driving as well as charging is happening. So the electric motor 2 will try to function as a drive. It consumes power from the high voltage battery through the power electronic equipments, and it will try to run. Okay, since the engine is already running, the electric motor 1 which was idle, it will try to run as an alternator. So the energy generated from the alternator is getting stored in the high voltage battery through the power electronic equipments. Apart from it, even when the electric motor 2 is off and the vehicle is in the stationary and you're trying to give the accelerator, since our combustion engine is running, this electric motor will try to run as a generator. So the energy will get stored in the high voltage battery through the power electronics. And apart from it, we also have the external charging contact for charging our high voltage batteries. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We are also providing training for the automation industry. If you had a plan to learn the PLC programming of Siemens, Allenbroad, and Delta PLC, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. And if you had a plan to work in the GCC countries, and if you are from electrical and electronic engineering background, you are from electronic and instrumentation engineering background, then you can contact us. We are providing training in the building management system and building automation control system. And if you had a plan to work in solar on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid application along with the certification, and if you had a plan to work, establish fencing for your solar farms, we are providing solar fencing as a kit. Okay, and if you had a plan to establish the DC lighting system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We are providing design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultation, training supports for solar on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid applications. And if you had a plan to learn the basics of the electrical wheel technologies along with the certification, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. Thank you so much.